Now, to make stripes, anytime you want to make stripes, you take end to end and you knot it together. And so you can make your loop. So there's your first loop. Now, when you make the second loop, you can even put beads on there. So you can have beads and they'll always be at the top here. We have instructions how to do that. So you know what you call this when you put two loops together? Loop to loop.
That makes sense.
So you have two loops here. Okay, now hold that and don't let go. I was doing this at a maker fair in Detroit, and I told this little girl, don't let go. And she let go 4 times. And her mom said, you can't even listen to what the guy says. And it put some tension on, pull towards you.
You want to know a funny story? One time when I was young, my babysitter lived on a farm, and we were getting ready. They were prepping their calves for the fair.
Don't let go.
And I was holding on to the rope that was holding the calf, and they go, no matter what you do, don't let go. And I was like, okay. The calf took off running, and I didn't let go, and it's dragging me across the gravel.
I didn't let go.
And they're like, let
You
go.
said not to let go.
Yeah.
So now you make a third thread here, and the unique thing about this, it's a cool networking tool.
Okay.
You just gotta talk to people.
Yeah.
Okay, so the more friends you have, the more stripes you can have. And the more stripes you can have, the more expensive it looks. And I told that to the 7-year-old kid, and she said, I know that. So now you twist this up, and you don't have to twist this one up as much. Now what I do is this has a weight in it. Take this off the air, put this in the center there, put my thumb over top. Don't let go until I grab it. Okay, got it. All you do is you go.
Wow.
And there you have a bracelet. Now what you do, and you can use this for trims on decorative things, you know, clothing and pillows and things like that. So you have this knot, and you take your end and you clip it off. And then you open this end up here, like that. And you stick the knotted end in there, and now we're friends.
Awesome.
Oh my God.
Thank
Okay, let's see
you.
bracelet. Beautiful.
Try it on.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Wait,
And
I
so
love it.
And you can tighten it. Yeah.
Oh, very cool.